Let's develop a small application over here, and then we will see how do we transport this application to the SAP Cloud Platform over here. Let me create a new application, project from template, select SAP UI5 application. Now this time I will write the name Z local app, right? C local app dot namespace. Click on next button. I will write the name of the view, my main view. Click on next, then finish. It has created an application with pre-written code. So now I will go inside the local app and see what the application looks like right now. I will click on run configuration. Then I will click on web application. I want to run by default index.html. I will click on save and run. It will run the application inside my local browser. So here you can see that it is a template. So right now there is nothing on this page. So let's go back and add a button. I will go to view, and inside the content, I will add a button. I will write the text. I will write a press event. I will press Ctrl plus S to save it. Now I will go to controller, and here I will quickly write a method on press event. We write alert application developed on local environment. To close the statement, I will press Ctrl S. Here it is giving me an error that I should not use the alert function, but for the testing purpose, I'm creating this application. Now I want to change the title that I can see over here. Now I will go to I18 and properties and update the title. I will write local app, then save it, go to the application and reload it. And here you can see that the title of the app has changed to local app. Let's click on this button and check if it is working fine. So now it is saying that application developed on local environment.